welcome to a new episode of our open house series. This is Patricia Mehl. Today I've chosen this incomparable property. It's located in the beautiful neighborhood of Tanglewood. It has 11,000 square feet on a 25,000 square feet lot. It's composed of 8 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms, 3 half bath, 8-car garage, an amazing sparkling pool that will make you want to jump in as soon as you see it. It's offered at 6.5 million. I'm delighted to show it to you, so follow along. I've explored the Houston real estate market in a different neighborhood and I found this jaw-dropping jewel. It's a stunner. I'll begin with the main entrance arched mahogany door, which has undergone multiple coats of lacquer to resist time and elements and for that splendid glance. Upon entering the foyer, my eyes caught so many elements that I had to pause before deciding where to start filming. Let me tell you something, I've toured many luxurious properties, yet this has only occurred a couple of times. The staircase is one of the focal details of the property. This custom-designed iron and brass handrail and the illuminated stairs invite you all the way up at once in round as you land on a pathway overlooking the ground foyer on the left-hand side and the great room on the right-hand side. From this standing point, you really get to perceive the overall architectural composition. This indoor space, as well as the outstanding amenities, provide with a feeling of being in a luxurious resort. For example, I could imagine guests gathering at the tasting bar making life happen, or a barista entertaining his guests on a special event. I found that the great room is just out of this world. To me, some of its details, such as unreachable slightly arched ceilings towards the summit, and the 7 artful, luminous, rounded custom windows facing the south evoke almost a cathedral. These are perfectly aligned with the 7 floor-to-ceiling iron windows and provide a staggering luminosity to the living space. This classy outdoor space combines all essential elements to contribute to an enjoyable environment, whether you would like a peaceful moment for yourself in all privacy or a memorable celebration. The wine room has the allure of a dressing room. I decided to call it the wine dresser. If I lived in this jewel, I would probably get dressed or have a party all by myself in there. The owner's suite adds spectacular 1,700 square feet on the main level leading to the outdoors and includes a phenomenal ensuite bedroom, vast showroom closets, and a private lounge. This is like finding yourself in a billionaire's getaway. This Tanglewood property has incomparable features. The living experiences are limitless. Be my guest for a private tour.